Hello. DDP yoga is done and I'm relaxing. Where's my phone? Oh shoot, that's right, it's still on the charger. Oh. Yeah. This is where the magic happens, and by magic I mean weight loss. Look at my gorgeous lamp. Oh, Krista's the best. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Oops, there goes the camera. You know what? Let me see if I could find that liquid super glue. I don't think it's completely dried up. I'm going to very carefully attempt to fix you. This has the potential to get a little dangerous. Alright. Let's clean you off. It's so dusty. The skeleton side of the camera. Alright.
Two eccentric guys who've learned to do a few cool things. My partner Keller here is psychic. He's placed a prediction in this envelope. That will be important shortly. We also have a deck of cards, and we need 2 helpers. How about you two in the VIP seats? Would you mind joining us up here?
Seems about right.
How you doing, Michigan? My name is Pat. Nice to meet you. And you are? Okay.
Darn it.
You guys know how to shuffle?
Oh god.
You do? Excellent. We'll get you both involved.
This is only going to end in disaster. I can see it already.
Okay, fine.
Alright, hang on a sec. Okay. It's like performing surgery.
Shuffle them together like that. Face up and face down, creating a mess. And I don't leave you out.
The main reason I'm being so careful is because I don't want to super glue any of the moving parts. Otherwise, you'll never work again. This is a pretty risky of me to do this anyway.
Let's check. They are a mess. Now your typical rabbit puller would end the trick there because it's a prediction and it's successful. But wait, there's more. Keller predicted that there are exactly 23 cards face down. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Alright, well,
20, 21, 22.
wait for the glue to set, and hopefully it's not running all over the place. And hopefully it will stick without breaking you. I think it's in place. I think it bonded, so it's not falling out. I hope I fixed this thing. I'm gonna attempt to turn it off and back on. Well, it seems to be working. I think I have officially fixed the camera. It lives! The Invincilog lives to see another year. Maybe it's not October 1st yet. Nice, the lens opened perfectly. Alright, well, I gotta get ready to pack, but I got some cards here. So, yeah, let's take a look at the cards and see what we have. Know why older guys dress like this? I wonder. You'll know soon enough. Aw, how nice. Thank you, Kelly. And there's this one. Dear son, the day you were born I expected to love you unconditionally, to find joy in holding you, and to feel happiness just by watching you grow. But I never expected how totally you would change my world, and I certainly didn't realize just how much you would teach me. I'm so proud of the special person you are and all the wonderful things you do. Happy birthday with love from your mother. Oh, well, that's nice. Just for me. I always start to cry about this time of night. What's the matter, Rodrigo? I've been crying every single night. Ay, ay, ay. Catching up is a hard thing to do, but I'm doing it. So, hallelujah. Vlogs are coming along, and now it is time for me to go to sleep. Rodrigo, what do you want? Seriously, what? 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 I don't know what you want. You're just meowing. Yeah? You don't say. Anywho, I gotta finish packing up real fast, and then I'll be ready to go. I gotta wake up very early so I can fly. But yeah, vlogs are nearly caught up in its entirety, so hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm going to bed. Good night.